Welcome to CAD Interop. We provide CAD interoperability solution. This video will show you how to use CADFix to open and manipulate a CAD model. Once starting CADFix PPS, choose a file to import. Choose all formats to see all available models. Use normal file browsing to change and navigate directories. The default visualization is wireframe connectivity. Most edges are green, which means they get two faces connected. Some edges have only one face connected and are shown in red. You can change visualization to common wireframe or shade and wireframe. You can change the quality of display here and colors of background in display settings. You can change mouse control according to your preferred CAD system. And save a screenshot image. You can change center of rotation using this icon or use the middle button on your mouse. Others visualization icons are very common. Clipping plane could be useful if you need to create a cross-section. Make sure to reset first, and select the correct axis. Next, use your mouse to move the clipping plane. Click on pause to rotate your model. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy with your demo of CADFix PPS and see you on cadinterop.com.